Waking up in the morning to find your property messed with, only to open your security app and find 4 separate, uncoordinated clips that show a blurry figure cutting across your yard before disappearing behind a blind spot, is an absolute nightmare that completely shatters your peace of mind. Traditional multi-camera kits act like isolated silos. They don't talk to each other, forcing you to play digital detective, scrubbing through different timelines to piece together where an intruder went. The Aosu Solar Security Camera's wireless outdoor home system completely rescues you from that disconnected guesswork, functioning as an elite, self-powered perimeter workstation engineered to stitch your entire property's security into a single, cohesive timeline. Don't let the clean, wire-free design fool you. This heavy-duty 4-camera powerhouse completely eliminates battery anxiety by pairing high-capacity internal cells with ultra-efficient, integrated solar panels, requiring just a few hours of daily sunlight to stay permanently charged all year round. Streaming in crystal-clear True 2K HD with advanced color night vision, it captures pristine facial features and license plates day or night. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is Aosu's cutting-edge cross-camera tracking technology. The moment a target moves from your driveway to your front porch and around to the backyard, the system's smart AI automatically links the footage from each camera, combining the separate events into a single, continuous video clip that maps out the intruder's exact path in chronological order. Engineered to save you from endless monthly fees, the system utilizes advanced, localized PIR plus AI human detection to accurately differentiate between a blowing leaf and a genuine threat, slashing false alarms by up to 95%. It saves all your data securely to an indoor home-based station with built-in local storage, ensuring your private footage remains entirely yours with zero subscription required. Complete with dual-frequency Wi-Fi for an ultra-stable long-range connection, two-way audio to scare off porch pirates, and a rugged IP65 weatherproof shell. It is the ultimate, stress-free fortress upgrade for homeowners who demand intelligent, automated, and uncompromised property protection. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are setting up this 4-camera solar kit to cover your entire perimeter or prioritizing your main entry points. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart home security setups, wireless camera reviews, and premium tech breakdowns. And I will see you in the next video.